April 27th, 2019. Out here on Hillbilly Acres, out turkey hunting. Had several gobbles today. They went quiet for a while. And then about right near 11 o'clock, they started picking back up. And several of us is getting all kinds of gobbles. But I started using my call pretty heavy. My hen call, box call. And lo and behold, I got attacked by birds. Some kind of hawks, chicken hawks, some kind of pretty good sized birds. I got video of it, and you'll get to see that here in just a few. But we're having a great time out here. Just, I don't know if I'll be bird hunting or turkey hunting. We out. Holy crap, it's attack of the birds. They everywhere. I'll call them in from everywhere. I think they're getting ready to attack. This is a madhouse. They're diving down now. I think my decoy's a real turkey. Holy crap, I've never seen this many. This is crazy. They called them all in. We out. I might be shooting here soon.